Hey everyone, we're currently in the car park queue. I feel like every video that I do is the same. I'm so sorry. Guess where we are? We're back at Harrods. We're not up here as often as it looks. It's just that on the rare occasions that I film vlogs, we are up here and then I save it all up and put it out all in one anyway. If you find it boring, let me know. The reason why we've come up here is it's New Year's Eve. We're gonna go and have a look around the sales. The plan as well is that this year, I don't actually know anyone who's doing anything for New Year's Eve, and we can't be bothered to either. And I've got my operation next week, and my ear is really hurting me, and I don't really want to go out and get drunk. Well, I do, but I'm not gonna do it.
I wanna know why Sophie's got a red face. There's a car in front with the brake lights on, and it's lighting her face up.
It is.
Looks like you've got a really good tan.
Yeah, but not in a good, like a burn more.
Yeah, it looks like you've been on the sunbed. Actually, just cut that. Sophie's been on the sunbed and burnt her face.
I'm just gonna sit here and get abused. Sometimes the queue for the Harrods car park, it's actually quite, I'll show you. It's actually quite a short little alleyway that leads up to it, and it doesn't actually go that far back. Can you see how far back it goes? Yeah, it's really, really short. Check this out, guys. You know how I really love these Loewe bunny rabbit bags? Because I call bunny rabbits. Look at these mini ones. They're so sweet. Key rings. And also, what's really nice about this is, I think I saw along here somewhere, maybe I can't, the straps for those bags used to be quite basic, and now you can get, here we go, here's the puzzle bag. I know a lot of you really like that. It's quite sweet actually. Pink one's cute. So you can start to buy additional straps that go on them. Which colour bunny would you get? I don't actually like any of those colours. The white one's nice. Oh yeah, the fluffy one. Looks like Louis. Have you seen the pink one there as well? Yeah, nice. Fluffy pink one.
I reckon that would sell out really quick. There's a pink one there.
And there's 10% off this. Oh, it's really sweet.
It is sweet.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that would be kind of hard to wear, but still nice.
Does it come with a strap?
Yeah, they normally do, yeah. So we've just come over to Valentino, and there's 50% off. I mean, it's slim pickings, let's be honest, but we are kind of late to this sale.
We still look from 620 to 249.
I mean, that's not bad, but it's not very nice.
But it's not worth 620.
No, it wasn't ever worth 620. Look at these. I actually quite like that. When I first saw this bag with the letters on it, I was like, oh, I don't know, but now I see it in real life. It's actually even quite nice in white. And this one, I've never seen this before in real life. It's kind of a bit puffy though. What do you think of it? Look at the price of these. 1535 down to 625. The backpacks. 1900, and there's 10% off there for the Harrods sale.
It's £190.
That's quite cool. I think so far I still prefer the spike bag. Not the plastic version though. Everyone's going to see what you got. Yeah guys, I don't know if you can see behind me. Can you see the queue to get into the Hermes concession? It's like major. David was like, why would you want to get in there in the first place? Because it's a cult brand.
Yeah, but they're ugly.
Guys, there's a queue for Chanel, which means one thing. There is a sale on. No, those bags don't go on sale. Don't worry about that. Oh, these colours are nice. Look at those.
My favourite green bag.
The green. You need to buy. You should just buy that green bag today. This is close as you can get to filming any of their stuff. What do you think's going to be in the sale? The bags normally are not. They're not in the sale. Shoes are. Accessories are.
Guess the price of that blue bag.
That's like 2,800 or something, isn't it?
And the shoes?
I don't know. Probably like, I would guess 750. I think 750.
They look like surfing shoes with a heel on.
Here we go. By the way, what we're doing is we're taking a break from walking around until we've eaten, and then we're going to have a better look around. Oh, smoothies. You can get an espresso smoothie. Do you reckon that's just a cold espresso with a ton of milk?
Yes.
Juice. I'm going to get carrot and ginger. I feel like I need that today. All this Christmas food has literally like killed me off, and I'm gonna get with it. These salads are really good. That one, I've had that before, that's excellent.
What, the halloumi one?
The one that's got hummus in it, the rainbow. Here. So you got a open chicken sandwich.
Yes, with sourdough.
With sourdough. And I've got hummus. This is a salad bowl. Hummus, I think that's some sort of grain. I don't know, it looks like, I've had this before. This is really good. Was $7.75, now $5.42, and that's the blue ones as well. I'm actually going to try some of these on because I wear these a lot in the summer. So they've got quite a lot of colour options. Do they have my size? Let me see. I've just got a really lovely man trying to help me at the moment because it turns out that everything in the sale is like a size 2 or a size UK 9, and he's trying to find me some stuff that is like a 6.5, 7 that is in the sale.
It's like Christmas all over again.
I don't even know what colours I'm going. Right, we've got purple.
Purple. I don't like that colour.
You don't like that colour.
But anyway.
This is 40% off. Where's the other shoe gone?
It's only one shoe. That's why it's half price. You only get one shoe.
They're quite nice.
Yeah. One shoe again, half price. Oh yeah, I like those.
They're quite nice.
But they'll get dirty really quickly.
Yeah.
Especially when you dry them.
Is that the same heel height?
Yeah.
One's higher.
No, that one's shorter.
I don't mind the shorter one. You're so close, so is that? Yeah.
I've got that.
I actually do need you to take the other boot off because I don't have the... Thanks.
Why do you keep holding your feet out?
Because you need to take it out.
Oh.
Thank you. These
From
are
now.
quite a nice colour. What do you think?
Yeah, they're nice.
I already feel like that's I don't know, I just like it.
I need to go back to photography school. Learn how to press record.
Okay, I'm going to try on another colour. Purple. I think this is the lower heel as well. Yeah.
Different colours on each.
That's the lower heel than that.
Oh yes, I can see that.
Right, what do you think?
Yeah, I actually like the purple. I actually like.
I like them both.
Yeah, look in the mirror. Take this and look in the mirror with it.
What colour do you think?
Even the silver goes so well with those trousers. Yeah, I like that.
Do you think... Which one?
They don't look... The thing is, I'm going to be honest, they don't look much off, but when you put them on,
Yes.
they look $1 million.
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. So that, or the silver?
Yeah, I like the silver. Look in the silver and I actually like them both, but I do like the silver. Is that got a higher heel?
Yeah.
Same size as the...
That's the lower heel.
Okay.
I actually don't mind those because they're quite good for days where you want...
Have a look in the mirror at the silvers.
Alright. Yeah, don't shake it, I'll smash. The Chanel packaging for the mate, I saw that actually, it's that limited edition in a red bottle. There was, do you know, there was something that I really wanted to get from here and I missed out on it. Basically, there was a Christmas edition that Chanel launched and it was a lacquer big black box that had Chanel written on the top of it and you could keep your makeup and jewellery in it. And I wanted to get it, but it had sold out. Oh my god, the sale in here is sick. It's really good. That's quite a good discount. May you hold that. Thank you. This is like the wrong outfit. I need to pull in the Christmas successes.
Christmas dinner.
Oh my god, look, it doesn't
That's not even go. It's not even that nice.
It's not even that nice. I'm back in Dior again because the sale's still on and a lot more has been added to it. And one of the things I wanted to try that is actually really quite nice, it comes in two colours, beige and also a really dark navy, is this. This is, I think this is cashmere, you know? And it's got the Jadior rate written on the back of it. Now this, I feel like, yeah, it's got, you could almost wear it. I think you can wear this inside out, you know? Yeah, look, you can wear this one of two ways, either the black way or the camel way. And it's plain on the front. The nice thing is it's so thick that my plan is to wear this almost in replace of a coat as it gets a bit warmer into spring because I can't even tell you how thick that is. But it doesn't look it, that's quite a nice thing about it. Anyway, I'm going to try it on. This is nice. Then I'm going to try on this. This is not in the sale. This is the new season collection. But it's quite a nice cut actually. Well, I mean, I don't know until I wear it, but looking at the hanger, it looks good. So it's kind of quite boxy. By the way, for any of you who want to know, because I normally get questions like, this top is from Zara and it's current. Hey guys, I thought that, what did I think? Oh, I don't know, I'm so tired today. Someone please, it's 6 AM and I am literally, I could go back to bed. Anyway, I thought, it's been a few days since the vlog that you saw earlier and I thought we could come back, chat. I'm gonna show you what I got. The sale in Harrods on this particular day was really good because it was sale prices plus an additional 10% off if you had the Harrods rewards card, which is great because that card's free anyway. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. There were some places that I knew I wanted to start off at just because I know from previous years that the sales there are really good. The first place was Milano Blahnik. I've already got one pair of these and now that I know you can get them on sale, I would never pay for them full price. I think even though they're nice, they're too much money. Full price, they're too much money, in my opinion. Is this the same heel height? You can basically get 3 different heel heights in this shoe. The first is this higher one here. This I got in the sale as well 2 years ago, Harrods, brilliant. And then can you see this one is slightly lower, probably by maybe a centimetre or something. Then they had a kitten heel version. I bought these for 40% off, so they were originally 700 and something, I think. These were 775 and I bought them for 445, which is that 40%? I remember it was 30% plus 10%, but then there was something, I don't know, anyway, a great price. There wasn't a huge selection on sizes or on colours. And apparently on Boxing Day, when the sale started, people got in there, they were buying everything. But I still felt pretty lucky to have been able to get these. I think you saw that I was also trying on the higher heeled version and it was in a lovely nude, it was in like a really nice blushy pink colour. And then the crystals on the front were the same as this, where they were grey toned. Ideally, I would have got that colourway, but that colourway only ever came in the higher heel. And I just want a lower heel version option because I do quite like wearing heels in the day. Weirdly, I feel that they're most comfortable, like not crazy sky-high ones, but if I wear flat shoes, my feet actually ache more in the arch of my foot. Whereas when I wear a small heel, I don't get that. The next thing, I feel like I got something else. Have I lost something around here? Can you believe how they got that word out of this spelling? I said to David when we were at Harrods, how do you think you pronounce that? And he was like, low. And I was like, yeah, I thought that as well, but I don't know how they've come to... Anyway, so here's the pouch that it comes in. It's a baby bunny. This is a coin purse. And I decided to get it. You could get it in a few different colours, and it also came in like a fluffy material. But I decided to get it in plain leather, and I wanted to get it in a neutral actually, so I chose white. I want to wear this on different bags, but I thought that this colour works quite well with black, but also I've got a lot of bags that are sort of pastel-y colours. This was not in the sale, however, because Harrods were having this 10% off day, the way it normally works is that in Harrods, when they have a 10% off day, the 10% off doesn't work on brands like Chanel and Dior, but it works on Givenchy, Loewe, Balenciaga, what else? Some other stuff as well. Possibly, actually I was gonna say possibly Yves Saint Laurent, but I don't think it does. So this wasn't in the sale, but there was 10% off it. And then the final thing is in here. It's reversible, so you can wear it that way out as well. It's really thick material. It feels like, it's not, I can't even describe it. I am planning on wearing this as a throw over, almost like a cape, because it's kind of loose fitting. It's got that on the back of it. You could also get this in a really, really dark blue, where again it was reversible and the inside was all black as well. The Dior sale this year has been good. I think I did tell you that, didn't I? I'm not sure how much is left in it now because it did start on Boxing Day, but it's good. I thank all of you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.